Today I'm going to be doing a powertrain fluid change in my truck. Rear differential, transfer case, and front differential. Now in the past I've used a system like this one, manual pump that you screw on the bottle, put on the filling plug and just pump like a million times. However, since I'm doing this job every 30,000 miles, today I'm going to be testing this electrical pump. It is named Mellif. Alright, let's see if this really works. Not closing. It's running. It works, but the battery is a little bit too big for this. And this is actually a small battery, 20 volt, 3 amps hour. Alright, let me try with a 2 amp hour battery, which is a little bit smaller. There we go. This pump comes with 2 hoses. One has a larger diameter that goes into the outlet. It's just press. And another one into the inlet. And in order to remove the hoses, the only thing that needs to be done is pressing this ring backwards, like so, and pull. Alright, I'm going to start draining the transfer case fluid. First, getting the filling plug loose. And if the pump works as intended, it's going to be a game changer, because most of the time spent in this type of work is always pumping. Well, I have everything set up already. The inlet goes inside the bottle with the transfer case fluid, and the outlet into the transfer case. Let's hit play and see what happens. Oh yeah, it's moving. Look at that, look at that. Coming, there we go. Amazing. Look at that, I don't need to pump anything. Oh man, this is gonna be such a time saver. Yeah, it keeps going. There we go. Nice. Out. It's gonna be probably a little bit messy with all these hoses full of liquid, but totally worth it. Alright, let's see how fast this thing goes. Oh wow, that goes pretty fast. Look at that. Pretty decent. Alright, so now let's do the front diff. Before I do the front diff, I want to flash the pump and the hoses with front differential oil so I don't get any transfer case oil inside the front diff. Alright, front diff draining. Royal purple, looks like brand new. Alright, so I have the pump set up, fluid, and inside the front diff. Let's go. I'm just waiting to replace the bottle because it's gonna take 2. But before I was just pumping here all the time. So much better. It's not super fast, but I'll take it any day compared with a hand pump. Yeah, so here you can see how fast or how slow it's going. I'm gonna tilt the bottle a little bit because it's about to be empty. There we go. Stop this one. Get this bottle out of the way. Rinse and repeat. It's really nice that this pump is self-priming, so makes the job much easier. I wish this hose would be a little bit less stiff, but it works. Just chilling. I'm just here waiting. The only work I'm doing is just be ready to stop the pump. Other than that, I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep. Let's go, buddy. There we go. Ready for the rear diff. This is too easy. Feels like cheating. This road is looking pretty good. Cleaning everything real good. Little trick, cutting the hose at an angle, like so it can be, makes it easier punching the bottle, like so. And here we go. I did the front differential transfer case and half of the rear diff, and it's calling for a second battery. You didn't know, but you need one of these. Link in the description. If you do this type of maintenance in your truck, forget about this. This pump is the way to go. Thank you for watching.